Hello and welcome to our latest project video. Today we're excited to share with you our latest installation, a solar panel system for a residential home here in Nigeria. Solar power is becoming increasingly popular as an alternative energy source, and we're proud to be contributing to a greener future with this installation. Let's dive in and take a closer look at the process. Step 1. Site inspection. The first step in any solar installation project is a site inspection. Our team visited the home to assess the roof's condition, its orientation, and the available space for the solar panels. We also checked the electrical system to ensure it could accommodate the new solar power system. Step 2. Design and proposal. After the site inspection, we created a design and proposal for the solar panel system. We used sophisticated software to map the solar panel's optimal layout to capture the maximum amount of sunlight. We also provided the homeowner with a detailed proposal, including the project's cost, timeline, and expected savings. Step 3. Permits and approvals. Before the installation, we had to obtain the necessary permits and approvals from the local government and utility company. This step is crucial to ensure that the installation complies with local regulations and that the utility company can connect the solar power system to the grid. Step 4. Installation. With the permits and approvals in hand, our team began the installation process. We installed the solar panels on the roof and connected them to the inverter, which converts the DC electricity produced by the solar panels into AC electricity that can be used in the home. We also installed a monitoring system to track the system's performance and ensure optimal efficiency. Step 5. Final inspection and connection. After the installation was complete, we conducted a final inspection to ensure that everything was working correctly. We also connected the solar power system to the utility grid and confirmed that it was feeding electricity back into the grid. And there you have it, our latest solar panel installation project. We hope you found this video informative and educational. Solar power is an excellent alternative energy source that can help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and contribute to a greener future. If you're interested in installing a solar panel system for your home or business, be sure to contact us for a free consultation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.